Hi, once you click on send, it will send the email to this particular email address using Microsoft Outlook and with these details, with this name and with this content. So I'm going to show you how that works. Once I click on send, it will automatically send. So you can see that the last email sent was 521, right? Now I click on send, and what happens is it will automatically generate the email content and will send the email. If I come over here, you can see that the email has been sent. So this name was taken from the Excel spreadsheet, and then this text was taken from the Excel spreadsheet. This one before image, you can see, right? So this is the text before image, and then there is like an image, and then there is this text after image, and then this is signature. So like the content is generated from, like, it is merged with this data and sent via Outlook.